मेरे ख्याल है मुश्किल पोजीशन है आपकी, क्योंकि बहुत लोग इस चीज पे बात करते हैं कि जी स्टार किड्स हैव इट सो इजी और दरवाजे उनके लिए खुल जाते हैं, व्हिच इज ट्रू ऑफ कोर्स। खुल भी जाते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट्स भी मिल जाते हैं। इश्क इलावज इज वाज अ ह्यूज ड्रामा, एंड टू बी कास्ट विद two of Pakistan's powerhouses, Sajjal Ali and Yumna Zaidi, both in a love relationship with you. So it is kind of a dream project as a debut drama. I think on the contrary, it's tougher. दरवाजे जरूर खुलते हैं, लेकिन जो माइक्रोस्कोप के नीचे रखा जाता है वो फिर किसी आम न्यूकमर को नहीं रखा जाता। एंड तनकीद बढ़ जाती है, एक्सपेक्टेशंस बढ़ जाती हैं, क्रिटिसिज्म बढ़ जाती है कि ओ ये रोल मिला तो है लेकिन ये नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो इनको इसलिए का ज्यादा देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ इफ्स एंड बट्स एंड व्हाई, एंड इट्स एक्चुअली डिफिकल्ट। सो डू यू एवर स्ट्रगल विद दैट? How do you deal with the whole, how do I prove myself? As a musician, you've, I think, had no problem. It's been effortless.
There was a lot said that time as well.
Huh?
There was a lot said.
Really?
The thing is, as a composer, you're behind the camera, right?
हाँ.
तो उस वजह से वो बातें पीछे की जाती हैं.
Right.
Comment section में नहीं की जाती.
Right.
Articles में नहीं की जाती. लेकिन सुनने को तो मिलती हैं. तो तब भी हुई थी. I believe अगर मेरे खिलाफ नेपोटिज्म का एक टैग लगा है शुरू से, तो वो उन फिल्मों पे लगना ज्यादा चाहिए था एज कम्पेयर टू इश्क, क्योंकि मैंने कभी कोई गाना नहीं बनाया था और आपने पाकिस्तान की 3 सबसे बड़ी फिल्में मुझे दी थी। मेरी काबिलियत में भी आपने सुनी हो या आपने मेरे पर्सनली गाने सुने हो, लेकिन पब्लिक का रिस्पॉन्स तो आपने नहीं सुना था। लेकिन उस वक्त ये बात नहीं इतनी निकली थी। When I came in front of the camera, the question came up more. So I believe that from a very basic standpoint, the question should have come up then as well. क्या ये सवाल सही है कि हम लोगों को आसानियां हमारे लिए आसानियां होती हैं? बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल सही, बिल्कुल होती हैं। क्या उतनी ही या उससे दुगनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, लेकिन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी एक हद तक होती है, क्योंकि आपको जितने ऊंचे ओहदे में शुरू में रखा जाता है या जितनी ऊंची पोजीशन में रखा जाता है, आप उस पोजीशन के अगेंस्ट अपना बाकी करियर नापते हैं और फिर आप उतने ही धाड़ से गिरते भी। यू नो, आपको पहले दिन आपकी एक्टिंग एबिलिटीज या म्यूजिक एबिलिटीज वेटरन्स के साथ कंपेयर की जा रही होती। इट इज नॉट रॉन्ग टू से दैट, एंड यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट, दैट my co-actors are the best among the best in the country, and I've experienced that firsthand working with them. And there is no denying that. So you're being compared to that, you know.
And that's a tall expectation.
It is an expectation. Yes. I would still say it's a small price to pay.
It's a small price to pay.
Because what is the worst thing that's going to happen? I'll get to work with the best actors and get to learn from them.
Right.
With one of the best directors, with one of the best producers.
Right.
Among our best writers. So that's the worst case.
You know, Azan, what's going to get you through all of this is your humbleness and your sweetness.
No.
You're a sweet star kid.
The thing is, it's not, it's very true. Because that is what is the worst case scenario.
Right.
And somebody isn't slamming a door in my face. Maybe they do tomorrow after I mess up.
No, if you don't perform, they will.
They will. Absolutely.
Nobody's going to lose money over the star kid.
And can I be honest with you? A few episodes in, 6-7 episodes in, I did get phone calls that were not very nice. I did get a lot of things that were there.
From within the industry?
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely. And I did feel that heat for a moment, and the heat was much more than I would have gotten if I had maybe performed with actors who were newer.
Absolutely. Or if you were unknown.
Absolutely.
Absolutely, which is what I'm saying.
फौरन ही आप एक नया मेटल है और आपको फौरन सोने के साथ तोला जा रहा है ना, कि सोने जितना वैल्यूबल है कि नहीं। And obviously not, right? You're just starting out. So it's a very, it's a tall order. I'm grateful. I believe that what I owe to my industry as well as the viewers today is performances that are very, very, very well turned out after this, because I have that experience. I don't have, and I'm saying this right here, क्योंकि मेरे बारे में बड़ी बातें इन सोफों में हुई हैं. There is
किसने की है?
But I appreciate them. In the future, I believe that, and I'm saying this on record, that the day you don't see a marked improvement from me is a day you can definitely point fingers at me, because I did have a big advantage. I did get to work with tremendous people who it will be only my failing if I don't perform at that level.
Right.
And I'm aware of that. That is a responsibility. that responsibility makes you not want to constantly do everything that potentially comes your way because you want to do good work. And that is something that has taught me.
So Azan, कभी सोचा है ये कि ठीक है, you're so young, you're 28, और actors generally learn on the job. और बहुत कम ऐसे होते हैं जिन्होंने एक्टिंग स्टडी की होती है या जिन्होंने ट्रेनिंग ली होती है. बट आपके प्लान में है कुछ कि कोई वर्कशॉप्स करनी या ट्रेनिंग करनी, या जिस तरह लोग करते हैं नापा पे शॉर्ट कोर्सेज कर लिए या बाहर से कर लिए, इवन पीपल लाइक फरहान ताहिर बाहर से, you know, ड्रामा पढ़ा हुआ और लिटरेचर. So is that in on the cards as well?
Absolutely. So whenever, for instance, I get breaks, so even right now I was in England for a while, took up a course,
right,
did all that
where
stuff.
better to learn, I mean,
sure.
Absolutely.
फिर उसके अलावा when I've been here, as you might be aware, I started working behind the camera for a long time. So I AD'd along with directors to understand actors.
Right.
I obviously in that exposure beforehand as well, for instance, working with acting coaches here to try and develop characters. And those are things that obviously are part of the job, and those are obviously things I would do. But as you said as well, there is a theoretical knowledge which I will work to gain, and that is something that is obviously not just on the cards. It's what I have been doing, and I will continue to do so.
Right.
But there's also a side which is that you need the hours under your belt. You know?
Of course.
Hours under your belt.
Of course.
There was someone.
Experience is invaluable.
Interestingly, you spoke about Patakhde. When Patakhde was supposed to go on to shoot pre-pandemic, us waqt, there was an actor, I'm not going to name them. They said to me, that you should do drama first. And I was, at that time, I was like, why this is happening? I'm the huge advocate of television, but because that was literally about to go. And they were like, just the fact that you'll get to do that many scenes will, because drama ends up having 700 plus scenes in it. A film in entirety has 75 scenes in it. So the hours you will get in experience will be very, very good.
Invaluable.
And they were absolutely right. I only realized that today, at the other side of it, than I did back then.
Tell me, how was your experience working with Sajal and Yumna? I mean, two fantastic, and then they have a great reputation. Okay, they're good to work with, and they're were they helpful? Were they obviously you're not going to go say no, they were terrible on set, and I never want to work with Yumna and Sajal again. Obviously, you're not going to say that. But evaluation क्या थी? Sajal as and Yumna, दोनों different individuals हैं, different actors हैं, उनकी techniques भी फर्क हैं बिल्कुल. आपके performance में उनकी क्या evaluation थी दोनों की? बहुत ज्यादा. पहला आधा सजिल के साथ आपने किया, और बड़े आपके हेवी सीन्स थे, एंड बड़े इंटीमेट सीन्स भी थे. गो के पेमरा ने कहा था कि कोई इंटीमेट सीन्स नहीं होंगे मियां बीवी के, एंड हस्बैंड्स विल नॉट बी अलाउड टू caress their wives, but you did. You guys had a lot of intimate scenes. So as a newcomer, there you are, as a newcomer, and I mean, what did you absorb from Sajal?
So I'll go first talk about Sajal, then I'll talk about
Yumna.
Because just chronologic according to the story. I think both of them, coincidentally, मेरा जो काम शुरू हुआ था वो युमना के साथ शुरू हुआ था.
Right.
Because it is chronologic. It wasn't chronologic, so it started with her first. And I remember both of them actually. I went to both of them and I said that you have more on the line than I do.
Yeah.
Because if I don't perform well, so firstly, A, there are a lot of people expecting me not to perform well. B, even if I do perform reasonably, there are enough people who would not want to admit it. But I don't want anybody to say that, why did you guys work with him? Right?
Right.
Or you made a mistake to work with this person. Because you have many years of experience. And I don't want to be the hole that sinks the ship.
Right.
In that sense. तो कहीं पर भी आपको लगे कि मैं कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ, मेरी कोई ईगो नहीं है, आप मुझे आके बता दें. और लकीली उन्होंने मेरी बात सुनी और उन्होंने मुझे बताया जहां उनको लगा. और वो उन दोनों की एज एक्टर्स उनका बड़ापन ये है कि उन्होंने कहीं मुझे ये महसूस नहीं होने दिया कि वो कितने टैलेंटेड हैं, उनका कितना एक्सपीरियंस है, कितना उनको पता है. They allowed me to feel very comfortable. It was actually honestly only after either after we finished the day or during gaps where I would be like, how were they so chilled out? Like, they've probably done these things many times. So I was very grateful to them for that. And at the same time, as far as Sajal's concerned, she was I didn't know either of them very well before the thing.
Hmm.
It's not like we knew each other very well.
Hmm.
She was extremely helpful, extremely kind to me, and I'm grateful to her for that.